Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Last month and the month before, I saw a couple of YouTubers talking about air quality in their vehicle, about how you shouldn't use the recirculation button when you use air conditioning, because you can be breathing in your own CO2 and make you sleepy and pass out. Well, that does kind of make sense at first, and when you think about it, yeah, you can be breathing in your own CO2. And that would be bad. But consider this. Cars are not airtight. The recirculation button, it doesn't affect as much as you would think. So to test that, I bought an air quality monitor. They're not expensive. Bought mine off Amazon for about 35 bucks, I think. I'll put a link in the description about this. A test for CO2. Amongst other things, we're going to concentrate on the CO2 part. I went on a 20-minute round trip. 10 minutes with the fresh air, recirculation off. 10 minutes with recirculation on. And I highlight all the spikes in parts per million while driving. I drove our 2016 Chevy Traverse. It has no emissions problems, and let's go check out that footage. No emissions problems. Recirculation's off. 10 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, when you have the fresh air coming in, it all depends on what other vehicles are around you. When I passed near that 18-wheeler, the CO2 jumped up, and as you would expect. If you smell gas, smell emissions, any kind of emissions, then yeah, crack open a window. If it's taco night and you packed in your boys like a clown car in your vehicle, and driving along, and old Billy there, his tummy is rumbling, you might want to open a window. You don't want that CO2. But for normal driving, especially living in area that I am in Florida, can reach 100 degrees easy with almost 100% humidity. I want to cool off the already cool air, because that makes a world of difference. If your vehicle has emissions problems, broken, you yanked them, didn't want them in there, and you smell gas, buy a monitor and check it out. You can see what's going on. But anyway, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.